Hello everyone. Today I'm coming live to explain to you uh, the basic database structure and also the API of this employee management system. So what happens is that we have this employee management system. I have developed this employee management system, but I thought I'll share with everyone this thing and I'll just wait. Okay. So this is the employee management database, and here we have got the database structure or database schema, and we have the tables here. Here are the tables, the employees table. First, let me explain the design of the employees table. Here it is like we have the employee ID, employee name, contact number, email ID, department ID, refresh token, etc., gender, role, create date, password hash, refresh token expiry time, employee status, reporting to, uh, last update date, and project ID, project to which he will be assigned. So these are the few things like we have. Employee department. That department is two level. One is the parent department, other is the child department. In the employee table, the department ID that you see is the child department ID. So and this is the department ID in serial number 5. You see the department ID. That's the child department ID. We have got the leave. Leave comes in two parts: leave balance, which is created by HR; leave request, which is raised by the employee and approved by the manager. Leave type is also there. Leave types will be like casual leave, earned leave, sick leave, and holiday. Holiday are created by the company. And we have got project and task, and then project roles. We have timesheet and timesheet details. So this is the brief structure of the database. Uh, what we have is one more thing I have upcoming is the onboarding process. Onboarding will be slightly lengthy, and then I have planned to start the salary and payslip generation details. Those are coming in the future. In the programmability, I have got to store procedure, get task list by project, and get timesheet by report is. So I'll pass the manager's email ID and I'll get the timesheets of the report is in this store procedure. So we have this thing. Uh, Now I'll go to the, I'll open the employee management database and open the project, employee management project. And here I'll explain the project structure in detail to you. We have got the domain. I have taken the code first, the approach, or model first approach, whatever you call it. Uh, so here we have the I have the entities here. Here the child department and parent department. I have got the employee, the leave balance and leave request and leave types. Uh, I've got project employees, project 2, employee assignment, okay, and project task, role, project role, timesheet and timesheet detail and timesheet summary. So these are the entities. And of course, I got onboarding also. And in the, uh, that is the domain, employee management dot domain project. We have got the employee management dot infrastructure, I got the dependency injection, and the middleware is here, and the repository classes are here. These are the which one level above the mm, uh, DB context. So what it does, it does the actual operation. The business logic is here. It does the insert and retrieval from the database. So here is the employee management context. Here are the table names. Okay, and yeah, apart from that, what I have got here is the conversions. So here so DTO classes are there. DTO classes for each class in the entity. I've got a DTO class, and above them, I got the get employee DTO. Get employee DTO is for when we are getting the employee details from the database. We're not sending the exact details like password, etc. We are not providing, and we are providing additional information like department name and employee name. So we are suppressing a few information. We are adding a few information like reporting to name, employee name, department name. These three or four information we are uh, providing in the DTO class. So this is the DTO class. Here are the conversions we have. Uh, convert departments, employee and sorry, parent and child departments are being converted from DTO to entity and entity to DTO, etc. Those things are there. So we have that these things here, and this is the basic structure of the project. So we have the uh, infrastructure, the domain, and the application. So it's based on clean architecture, and in the end we got the controllers. Controllers are the uh, we have approximately like 10 controllers. We have the authentication controller, department controller, employee controller, leave balance controller, leave request controller, leave types controller, onboarding controller, project controller, project employee controller, project task controller, timesheet controller. So these are the few things we got. I'll just try to build the project and see, show to you the Swagger schema. Okay, so build is successful, but one important aspect I am showing to you is that most of the our endpoints are heavily restricted by authorization and authentication rules, and we are using JWT based authentication. So here you see, even to get the employee and all those things, we need authorization and authentication. And like timesheet, I'll just show you. Okay, so here also we have the authorization everywhere is required. So wherever it's not there, I'm just adding them one by one. So all the endpoints are authorized only, if you see. So here what we got here is the timesheet related activities like submit timesheet, approve timesheet, view timesheet of report is view your own timesheet, etc. Those kind of details are there. So we'll once again build and then run the project and show you the Swagger endpoints. Here's the Swagger. You can see the Swagger endpoints. So so this is the thing. We are. I hope everyone can see. Okay. So I'll just go to YouTube and then share the Swagger. Sorry. So I'll share some more screens. So my bad that I did not share the Visual Studio. So as I explained to you, I'll explain it once again to you. This is the structure of the employee management project. We have got four projects in this solution. One is the application from top. Second is the domain. Domain classes are like child department, employee, leave balance, leave request, leave types, onboarding, parent department, project, project employee, project task, role, timesheet delay, timesheet summary. Mm, What we have further is we have the application, the domain. Here is the infrastructure project, which is actually the repository classes are there. Repository classes are like child department repository, employee repository, leave balance repository, etc. All those things are there. Timesheet repository is there for inserting, retrieving, and updating the timesheet records. So what happens is that we have the application. We'll go to the application and first I'll explain the generic interface. Generic interface is the base of all interfaces, is the parent interface of all interfaces. It has got the six basic operation: create, update, delete, get all, find by ID, get by async. So what happens is that you have the basic operations and plus by ID, and there is scope for passing a expression. So where T is a class, like for example employee class or child department class, or uh, you can say project class. So this will be in the this will create the child interfaces. I'll explain to you. For example, I am creating a leave balance interface. So what will happen? I derive this interface from iGeneric interface leave balance with leave balance. So it will automatically inherit those methods. I'll just go to timesheet summary, timesheet summary interface. So the moment I inherited it with timesheet summary, it will automatically inherit those six methods. But I need something more by get timesheet by employee ID, get timesheet detail, get summaries from date to date, and employee ID between 2 days for an employee, update timesheet detail, delete timesheet detail, get weekly calendar, get summaries for reporters. So these are the additional methods which I am defining here. So where am I implementing them? I am implementing them in the repository, in the infrastructure. In the infrastructure project, I got the first is the data folder. In that, I have the employee management context and roles in on. And we have got the middleware and dependency injection. So here is the service container class, which is returns the at infrastructure service method, which returns a iService collection, which is actually the service collection is being added with these dependencies, and so we are returning the service collection from here after adding the dependencies. So this is the basic structure of the project. Here is the presentation, and here we got the controllers. In the controller, all the methods are say for example I go to timesheet. What we have is the get all timesheet of irrespective of which employee it is. Get timesheets of one particular employee by his email ID. Uh, get reportist timesheets means a manager logs in, he wants to see his reportist timesheets whether they have submitted the timesheet. So here the manager's email will come and his reportist timesheets will be returned. All the endpoints are restricted by authorized keyword, so only authorized or logged in user can view that. That too, if he is properly logged in. Submit employee timesheet is when employee submits his own timesheet. Approve reject timesheet when a manager approves or rejects a timesheet. Delete timesheet is here. Okay, so these five or six endpoints are there in timesheet. Okay, in employee you can see create employee is there. Okay, so and get employees excluding, get reportees of a manager, etc. All those things. Get employee by email ID, create employee is there. So all those things are there. So we have this this basic structure ready here, and we have the project controller is there. Project is get projects, create project role, update project role. All those things are there. Project to employee mapping is there. Create employee, project employee, sorry, update project employee, delete project employee. All those things are there. Get all project employees. Okay, get project employee for one project. Okay, so we have the basic structure and here uh, you can see the Swagger endpoint. I'll add the Swagger endpoint here. Okay, and you'll see this. You see the project. Now you see the Swagger endpoint. Hope you can see uh, the auth controller. Auth is a post is a do login. After logging in, the user will, while logging in, the user will email ID and password. It will create a token. So in that we got the is department. We got the get parent department, get create parent department, get child departments, get child department by parent department, etc. All those endpoints are there. Employee, get employees, get reportees, etc. Leave balance, leave request, leave types. So I'll just go to the uh, timesheet, and you can see here you can see the structure of the response. Yeah. So here is the basic structure of the timesheet summary. Here's the project ID for which he's submitting, week start date and week end date. Okay, and submit date, which date he has submitted, approved by whom, approval status, whether manager approved or rejected, approval date or rejection date, billable hour, non-billable hour, and details. A detail will be an array of 7 records for the 7 days of that particular week. So in that, which task he has worked on, there's the task ID is there. Then timesheet summary ID, that's for reference. Uh, so this is the hours, how many hours he has worked on that particular task on any given day. So employee can have 7 records, so more records also. It's not restricted to 7 records. It is just for the uh, detail, maintain the detail. And we have the get employees timesheet for employees own timesheet. Report is timesheet. When the manager logs in, he wants to see his report is timesheet, whether a report is submitted timesheet on time. Get timesheet for the week. Okay, and submit timesheet, employee timesheet. Employee has submitted timesheet, it will insert. Put is updation and approve, approve and reject timesheet. Timesheet, delete timesheet. and delete is when the employee deletes his timesheet. So these are the things that I have created so far. So far, only this much I have done. So I cannot say that it's a fully complete yet now. But yeah, it's a work in progress. So I'm trying to explain the basic structure of the API and the database structure. I have tried to explain to you. That's all from my side. I hope you like it, and then you'll give your feedback, and I'll take it further. And the front end is in Angular for now, Angular 19, and I have planned to add onboarding process. I have planned to add payslip generation, payroll related detail like what is his salary structure, and all those breakdown will be there. Then a leave, I did not even start the leave processing. I have only created the controllers, but the leave on the front end, I have not yet started working on. So these three things I am yet to start. So I'll slowly I'll explain to you the entire project, and I'll explain the code and everything to you. Just keep watching this channel for upcoming videos on this series. Thank you, everyone.